Today is 4-Minute Friday. Yes! And today what we're going to be talking about is the 3 different filters that I use for landscape photography. Alright, so let's chat about the least exciting filter, the one that nobody really wants to talk about, and that's the UV filter, which is actually on my lens. The UV filter. Nothing fancy, so what the heck? So this is basically for if you drop your camera. If you drop your camera, this will save your lens. Rather break a filter than a lens. $200, $2,000. Security blanket. That's what I use it for. So the next one is a 10-stop ND filter. So what is this one for? Well, as you can tell, it's dark. So basically what I say it is, it's like sunglasses for your camera. So what you do is you put this bad boy on your lens during the daytime and it completely blocks out the sun. Then what you can do is it allows you to have a really slow shutter speed during the middle of the day, which is just awesome. So you can get that nice slow moving water, you can get clouds moving, and in the middle of the day just because of this thing. Check out these images that I got with it. So the third filter that I want to talk about is the Polarizer filter. This is essential for landscape photography. So if there was one filter that you were going to choose, like, oh, I don't want to spend the money on a bunch of filters, I would start with the Polarizer filter. This is essential, like I said, for landscape photography. It is my go-to. Basically, you just twist it and it'll change like the tones in the sky. It'll bring out the clouds. It'll help you with reflections on rocks. It'll kind of dim that down. If you're shooting a lake, it'll bring out the rocks in the water. It'll bring out the reflection on the lake. It's a must. You have to get this filter if you're going to choose one filter. Get a polarizer. So I have the circular polarizer. It's the Heliopan, and I love it. So anyways, that is my essential like go-to filter always for landscape photography, is the Polarizer filter. So check out these images that I got of high Sierra mountain lakes, and they wouldn't have been possible without the Polarizer because it really did bring out the reflection of the trees and the mountains on the lake. Alright guys, that's it for me today. That is 4-Minute Friday, all about the filters. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me. And I would love to know what your favorite filter is. So leave a comment down below with your favorite filter so I can check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next 4-Minute Friday.
Thank you.